Have you ever wondered how to make 100,000 rupees a month? What if I told you it's possible with free AI tools? In this video, we'll explore how you can achieve this. Let's dive in. Imagine leveraging AI to boost your income. First, let's discuss what AI tools are available. AI tools help automate tasks and improve productivity. You don't need to be a tech expert. Many of these tools are free and user-friendly. Next, we'll look at 3 key areas to focus on: content creation, marketing automation, and data analysis. Start by creating engaging content using AI. Tools like Canva and Copy.ai can help here. Canva generates stunning visuals effortlessly. Copy.ai crafts compelling blog posts with just a few clicks. Now, let's talk about marketing automation. Platforms like MailChimp and HubSpot streamline your campaigns. They manage email communications with ease. This saves you time and improves efficiency. Next, the power of data analysis. Google Analytics tracks your site's performance. AI can offer insights into customer behavior. Understanding this helps refine your strategies. By combining these AI tools, you're set for success. Let's look at a scenario. Imagine you run an online store. You use Canva to design eye-catching ads. Then, you schedule emails through MailChimp. Finally, you analyze your traffic with Google Analytics. That's a winning combination. Now, if you master these tools, income will follow. You can potentially reach 100,000 rupees a month. Remember, consistency is key. Keep creating, analyzing, and refining your strategies. In summary, leveraging free AI tools can change your game. You can boost productivity and scale your income. Don't wait for others to catch up. Start using these tools today. If you'd like to learn more about these tools, subscribe now. Join the journey towards financial freedom with AI. Have you ever considered the impact of networking in your journey? Connecting with like-minded individuals can open doors to opportunities you didn't know existed. Sharing your experiences and learning from others who have embraced AI tools can provide invaluable insights. They can offer tips on overcoming challenges and maximizing the potential of these resources. By actively engaging in communities, whether online or offline, you can also discover new strategies in real time. Collaboration often leads to innovative ideas, transforming your approach to income generation. So, don't underestimate the power of building your network as you pursue this financial goal. As you continue to grow your network, consider joining forums, social media groups, or local meetups centered around AI and entrepreneurship. Engaging in conversations can spark inspiration and help you remain motivated. Plus, you'll hear success stories that could mirror your aspirations, providing a roadmap. Remember, every connection you make is a potential collaboration, leading to new ventures or creative partnerships. By investing time in this aspect of your journey, you not only gain knowledge but also form relationships that could significantly impact your income growth. Take advantage of these opportunities to learn and thrive together in the AI landscape. As you explore these connections, don't shy away from sharing your own knowledge and skills too. Your unique insights could inspire someone else to take the leap into using AI tools. This mutual exchange of ideas can foster a sense of community and encourage innovation among your peers. Moreover, it enhances your understanding of the tools themselves as you discuss their applications and effectiveness in real-world scenarios. By creating a supportive environment, you not only elevate your own practice but also contribute to the growth of others. Everyone has something valuable to bring to the table, so embrace this collaborative spirit. In essence, the network you build will empower you to push boundaries and find creative solutions to common challenges faced in your journey toward financial success. Stay engaged and proactive within this community, as it will serve as a vital resource on your path to achieving your financial goals. Networking is not just about finding assistance, it's also about offering your own skills and experiences. By sharing what you've learned, you create a reciprocal relationship that benefits everyone involved. Engaging sincerely with others fosters trust and encourages collaboration, ultimately amplifying your chances of success. By integrating these strategies and connecting with others, you will not only enhance your knowledge but also create a supportive community. This robust network will guide you through challenges and celebrate your successes, ultimately leading you closer to that 100,000 rupees monthly goal. Embrace this journey with confidence.